FND Profile Option Values Loader is designed to enable users with system administrator access to assign profiles to or remove profiles from users, sites, or at responsibility levels. This loader comes with the System Administration license. To use the loader, you need to select the template that corresponds to the loader functionality. This template has to be imported on Application Interface Wizard first, using the Setup ribbon. You can then generate a new tab with this template or click OK if you already have a tab with the template here. The sections available in this template are very similar to what you can find in the corresponding Oracle form, and the light gray columns will provide some feedback after upload in Oracle. You have a few options to enter your dataset. You can copy-paste a list of profile options you want to assign or remove from users, applications, sites. You can also download existing profile options, so you can do a full download of all your profile options if you just download everything without any criteria, or you can enter a criteria like this. If you don't know the profile option name entirely, you can use wildcard $character to increase your search capability. Then highlight your download criteria and use this download option, download using Sheets data. We also provide a download form if you want to enter your criteria using this option. You can also enter or complete your dataset using user forms available from the main ribbon or by double-clicking on any cell. Yellow fields are mandatory. When you close the user form, it performs validation on the corresponding record. Then, when your dataset is ready, you can choose to validate only or validate and upload. You can either upload all rows on the sheets or upload a selection previously highlighted. The loader starts with validation and then upload only valid records to Oracle using Oracle APIs. The records which have been successfully processed in Oracle have an accepted status. The ones that didn't go through have an error status and message to help us correct the error. You can fix the dataset, bringing up the user form, for instance, search for valid value, and then reprocess this row, choosing Upload Selected. Thanks for watching this video on FND Profile Option Values Loader.